Göcek is a picturesque coastal town in the Fethiye district of Muğla Province, located on Turkey's southwestern Mediterranean coast. Tucked between forested hills and a protected bay, it lies about 28 kilometres from Dalaman Airport and 27 kilometres from Fethiye. Renowned for its tranquil charm and sailing culture, Göcek is a major yachting hub with 6 marinas and is a starting point for the famed Blue Voyage tour along the Lycian coast. Since being designated a protected area in 1988, the town has preserved its low-rise architecture and relaxed village atmosphere, making it an appealing retreat for visitors seeking both beauty and peace. Activities in and around Göcek are centred on nature, the sea and local culture. Popular boat tours explore the nearby 12 islands, with stops at hidden coves such as Bedri Rahmi and Sarsala for swimming, snorkelling and lunch on board. On land, visitors enjoy walking the marina promenade, browsing boutique shops and dining at waterfront restaurants. More active options include hiking or cycling through pine forests to nearby beaches like in Lycian, or venturing further to Dalaman and Coves. Whether you're exploring by sea or relaxing in town, Göcek offers a blend of understated luxury and natural beauty, far from the crowds of more commercialised resorts.